Yeah, so that's, you know.
Uncle Johnny, tell me a bedtime story.
Alright, little
Yes,
one.
yes,
Little one. I love you. You're one of my favorite little ones.
I love you too.
Okay. Well, let's see. One time, there was a lion, okay?
Yes?
And the baby lion, about 3 weeks old.
Yes,
And-
babies!
and it was walking down the road, alright?
Mm-hmm. Yes?
With a little baby bear.
Baby bears!
And then the lion and the bear, they saw a tree with golden fruit on top.
Golden fruit!
And they wanted the golden fruit because it gave you power to fly and to live forever.
Oh!
And so they climbed up to the top of the tree.
Uh-huh.
And there was only one piece of fruit at the top. So,
Really?
Yes. And so the bear was like, "Hey, Mr. Lion, would you like to split the fruit so we can each live half forever and live together in peace and harmony?"
Oh, that would be so nice.
I know, right? And the lion was like, "No!" And then the lion pushed the bear out of the tree, and the bear fell to its impaling doom. The bear died.
Why?
And his head came off of its body, and the lion ate
Stop
its
it, Uncle
flesh.
Johnny!
But then a little unicorn came up. A little
Unicorn.
And its husband, there was a Pegasus. And they came in
Uh-huh.
like, "What is all the ruckus?" He said, "Nothing, I'm just playing a little game with the bear."
Oh, games!
And then
Games.
the Pegasus and the unicorn were like, "Oh, okay, well that's fine." And right as they turned around to walk away, you want to know what happened?
What?
Guess.
They lived happily ever after.
Yes. Psych, the lion shot him in the back with its 12 gauge. He
What?
killed it.
La,
killed it.
Uncle
He
Johnny,
killed-
stop! Uncle Johnny!
It killed it. It
Uncle
killed
Johnny!
it. Killed it.